And so we presented these kinds of things at places like the Geological Society of America. And one time when I was presenting there, I had a lady come up to my poster and talk to me. She was a park ranger from Grand Canyon. And she was a geologist, so she kind of understood what was going on. But if you were a conventional scientist, here's what you would think. You would think the Hermit was laid down about 275 million years ago, the Coconino shortly after that, and then you have some time pass. So at this point, we don't have any of those sand injections down in there. And then what's going to happen is the earthquake happens. And the earthquake is going to jolt this whole area, and the earthquake energy is going to migrate through the rock. And as the earthquake energy migrates through the rock, the sand is going to be injected downward into the Hermit Formation. And the park ranger that I was talking to was very excited about this. I had some rock samples there of the formation and so forth, and she was very excited and thought that I had a great idea until she realized this problem. Okay, the problem is that these sand-filled cracks, if they were actually caused by the earthquake, they were caused by the earthquake 225 million years after the rock had been laid down. And when you have sandstone deposits, the sandstone deposits get compressed and buried, and they turn into stone. They don't end up being left as wet sand. But these sand injections actually prove that the sand was wet. It hadn't become hard when the injections took place. And when she realized that time problem, she was mad. She was upset because she thought, these formations were millions of years old, of course.